Guys, welcome to Miriam's Kitchen. Today's video is all about pantry organization and some useful ideas and tips and more. And first, before I start off the tour, I will just give like a whole little view of the pantry. So I have like four shelves that came with the house installed, and let's go from here. I do start, if you see here, right after I enter, I put all my items that I usually use frequently. So these are my first breakfast items I have: Cheerios, steel cut oats, peanut butter, and stuff. And if you see in most of my the loose items, I usually like to store it in clear bins and label them so that when we put them back, they go in right place and they're all looking not too bad because they're like all loose items. So I have this miscellaneous which carries all the small fresheners and stuff, and I have these all grocery Indian, mostly Indian grocery items which are labeled, and so that anybody can go fetch items from from the pantry. So brown rice, red rice, all these split urad, um, all these lentils, dals, and then I have to refill most of the items I have here. So this is my shelf, and if you see in that corner, I have this clear bin where I have all those tempering items, which I store in my spice rack next to the stove. These are the extras that are in packs. So I come back to check here before I go in for the grocery if I run out of any items. And the top shelf, if you see, have this clear play space. If I bring in some extra grocery and I'm tired to put them back, so I just keep them here so that they go back to places like the next day. So I have this vinegar which I use for a lot of stuff, cleaning chicken, veggies, and all the stuff. I have that filled in a bottle in the kitchen, but this is extra. And then that's like a party tea percolator, extra paper towels, and then there's white crate for paper supplies for like plates, cups, and stuff. And these gray baskets I got from Home Goods, which are looking nice, but those stuff that I have in, if you have to see that, I need to even put them back, right? So that's like the open chips pack and all this kind of stuff, that anything that you don't want them looking ugly. So that's there. And in the next shelf, I have these water kettle, slow cooker, and then some blenders and their jars, and then Indian mixer grinder, food processor, and then toaster. I have outlet here, and most of my grinding and grinder, mixie, NutriBullet, everything happens in this pantry because I have a outlet here, and the toaster I be used from here. And then the stone grinder, I got it off of Amazon, which is very useful to do any traditional Indian masala kind of stuff. So I do that, so which is pretty useful. And then in the lower, I have the extra oil, rice, and onions. And for those who are not aware, we can put the onions and potatoes. Potatoes are on the other corner, and onions, so that they both are not rotten and they stay longer. They don't give those growth out so much. If they are put together, they are going to be messed up. So in the bottom also I have some different bins for basmati rice, and then the regular, and then extra groceries. If you see, there's just my grinder I have there. And there's more slow cookers, small one, and I got that for $5 of early bird sale. And then there's another one, it's like a travel one, which you can have a handle for potlucks and stuff. I take it. And then these are, again, let's move on to the next shelf. So sugar and all these dals, almonds, and stuff. And then I have more Indian grocery, the most used stuff like peanuts, crackers, bars, and more pecans and stuff are there. And in the bottom, like I told, I label these bins. So these are like ugly looking bottles. They are in different shape and size, so they go all in a bin, and I sort them out like according to their category: syrups, sauces, and oil, anything like soy sauce and all those kind of stuff, sriracha and stuff. And then baking needs, and then more spice. This is more like tandoori masala and stuff, more masalas and stuff. And in the bigger bins, I have these pastas, suji, and atta. And if you see, I have atta and whole wheat. The atta is from Indian store for chapatis and stuff, and this whole wheat is looking whiter. It's surprising. It's a white whole wheat for those who are not aware. King Arthur sells this, and this has the whole wheat benefits, but it is cultivated in the winter, so it's kind of like not so dark. So this is really good for baking and stuff if you want to stay healthy, and at the same time you want it not to look too brown, because some people are like not, they all think like if it's healthy it's not tasty, but it's not actually. So in the bottom shelf, I have some extra groceries again, like these pasta, um, extra that I buy, like which I will refill, and then some more canned food. And then I have these homemade Cheerios I usually make, masala Cheerios. If you are interested, I can post a recipe for that. And then there's also the biscotti I made from whole wheat. And then this is the oil that I usually, I have it near the kitchen counter, but I will refill from here, and more the other extra ones I'll go on the other side. This is the one I refill from. I usually use only peanut oil and olive oil, and that's there. And then like I told, this is my 3-tier potato shelf. I have red potatoes, regular potatoes, and sweet potatoes, and a step stool if I want to reach the top shelf. That's it. I think I covered everything. Like I said, the bins, clear bins, they look nice. They look arranged, cute. And also the cleanup is easy. And I forgot to mention about this liner that I have. I bought this from Lowe's. This has this lock to keep in place. And also the cleanup is easy, and they don't fall into the other shelf if anything you spill or something. So you just use a dry paper towel to get the dry stuff, and if there is anything that's stained, you could always wipe it off with the wet paper towel. Pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for those who subscribed. If you haven't, please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and hit the bell notification so that you will be notified anytime anytime I post a video, you will be notified. So thanks for watching. See you soon from Miriam's Kitchen. I will post more useful videos soon in near future. Thanks. Bye.